Welcome back to another tutorial about Photoshop. And in this video, I will show you how to make gradient transparent on any photo or design in your Photoshop. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do, let's for instance, you want to add a gradient background into this particular image right here. First thing first, you have to make sure you choose your foreground color and background color as far as this is concerned. Now here we can go ahead and pick a color from this particular dress right here to choose as our background color. And for that, I'm going to click on the background color right here. So don't click on it. And the color width is going to pop up just like what you see right here. So once the color width is pop up, next thing we want to do right here, this particular dark color right here, and I'll go ahead and hit on OK. Now, in a few seconds, you see that our foreground color here has been changed. This depends on exactly what you want as far as transparent background gradient is concerned. Now, next thing we want to do is to go ahead and move to gradient section right here. Then having click on gradient section, next thing you want to do is to come to the gradient property from the top. Once you click on the gradient editor, then you have your gradient slider right here. Now here, you can go ahead and switch from the basic right here, and then make sure you select transparent right here. So you can see foreground to transparent right here. Then you can as well adjust your result from this point right here. However, I'm satisfied with it. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and hit on OK. Now, once you set up your foreground transparent background, next thing you want to do is to come down below right here and make a new layer. Then you go ahead and create a new layer. Having created a new layer, then I will now apply my foreground transparent. That I'll press Shift key on my keyboard and drag on inward. So once you drag inward, you have a kind of cool transparent right here. If you are not satisfied with the kind of transparency you have, maybe it's not deep enough, press Ctrl C. This will undo it. Okay. And for that, go ahead and press Shift key on your keyboard and drag inward. This is depends on how best you want to have your transparent make transparent gradient right here, just like what you see right here. Then you can also make transparent from the top, sidebar, and at the light. So let's for instance, you want to add a transparent background into transparent grade into the top of this image right here. What we want to do is to go ahead and come back right there, create a new layer. Then after creating a layer, we come to the top right here. Then what we want to do here now is to press Shift key down and drag inward again, and this will add kind of another transparent at the top of the image right here. We can decide to have for the sidebar, left and right. For that, we can go ahead and create a new layer. Then here we can press Shift key and drag inward again. This will determine how it's going to move. Now here we can add some effect and blending of the layer one after the other. For that, what we want to do is to come to the property from the top right here. From normal, then we can add different type of effects right here. So like multiply, like color bond, like linear bond. Everything depends on how it's going to be aligned with our object right here. So just go ahead and continue to switch from one blending option to another. I think I'm cool with this add light right here. That's it. So once you are done, export your design and you have your full gradient transparent. You can also do this effect with image or whatever design you made in Photoshop. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks about how best to use Photoshop, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you.